Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to secant of s squared ds. Because first the derivative of tan s, you got about secant of s squared. This one we change by u, and you got about u to the power of 6. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, you got about u to the power of number 7 over 7, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.